After finding the root cause in any business process or industrial process, we decide some action plans so that the issue can be resolved. To figure out the root cause, we perform the root cause analysis. I have explained the root cause analysis in my previous video of this playlist. I will suggest you to watch that video as well after watching this video. Now let's discuss about the action plan. Creating an action plan involves detailed steps to implement solutions. For example, a company was facing the problem of order processing time. It should be 1 day, but due to some causes, it always gets delayed to 3 days. Now the company has found the causes by performing the root cause analysis and ready to implement some action plans. Here is the detail of how the company should implement the action plan. Objective. In objective, the aim is defined, and here the aim for the company is reduce order processing time from 3 days to 1 day. Actions. List down the steps needed. For example, to reduce processing time, the company should perform the following actions: train staff and implement new workflow. Responsibilities. Assigning tasks to individual or teams. For example, to perform the actions, company assign the responsibilities to the following teams or team members: IT upgrades by Mr. John and training by Mr. Smith, workflow by operations team. So that's how we assign the responsibilities. Timeline. We set start and end dates for each action to be completed. For example, training timeline is June 1 to 15. Software upgrades is June 10 to 20. And workflow implementation June 15 to 30. Resources. To perform actions properly, we need to identify required resources. They can be budget, they can be tools, or some personal help as well. For example, $10,000 budget will be required, or 2 IT specialists will be required, or some training manuals will be required. Key performance indicators or KPIs. We define success matrices here. For example, 100% training completion or 99.9% system uptime. Risk management. We identify risks and mitigation strategies. For example, backup supplier for hardware delays. Communication plan. Plan for keeping stakeholders informed. For example, weekly updates to team, monthly reports to management. So that was all about the action plan. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.